Good morning, students. Now I am continuing the fractions and decimal chapters in exercise 2b, third main. This is simplify. Simplify means you have to reduce the given expression into the smaller form. So now it has given this problem as 5 by 6 into 7 by 8 into 9 by 10 into 11 by 12. Now we have to simplify by using the cancellation method here. Observe here 5 and 10 have the common factors. So now you can divide 5 and 10 by fifth table. So 5 ones here and here 5 twos. Next here 6 and 9 have the common factors. So divide by 3 table you can divide, otherwise first you take 9 and 12. I have taken 9 and 12 here. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So 9 and 12 also have the common factor 3. I am dividing by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now again I am taking 9 and 6 and dividing by the 3. So 3 1s are 3 here, 3 2s are 6 here. 3 1s are 3 here and 3 2s are 6 here. Now there are no common factors for remaining any number 7 and 8, 11. Cannot divide 11 by 4, 2 and 2 here. So now you can multiply what are the numbers remained in the numerator and the denominator. So what are the numbers remaining here? Numerator is 1, 7, 1, 11. So 1 into 7 into 1 into 11 here. In the denominator 2 into 8 into 2 into 4. So now you multiply all the numbers. It gives 77 by 7 11s are 77 by 2 into 8 into 2 into 4 gives 128. So this is a simplified form of given expression, multiplication of fractions. So now the second one is 3 3 by 5 into 2 1 by 4 into 4 11 by 13. These three fractions are in the form of mixed form. So now whenever the mixed fractions appear, first you have to convert them into the improper fractions. So convert them. So 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18 by 5 into 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 by 4 into 13 4s are 52 plus here it is 11 63 by 13. So now if you observe here only 4 and 18 have the common factors. So now I have taken 2 as the common factor. 2 2s are 4 here, 2 9s are 18 here, and there will be no common factor for any other numbers here. Just I am multiplying 9 into 9 into 63 in the numerator and the denominator 5 into 2 into 13, which gives 5103 by 130. If you divide this by a long division method, so you can get 39 33 by 130. 39 33 by 130. Okay, next 5 1 by 3 into 36 by 5 into 12 by 7. So here one mixed fraction is there, remaining all are improper fractions. So first convert this into improper. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16 by 3 into 36 by 5 into 12 by 7. So now you can divide either 36 or 12 by 3. I am taking 12 here. 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12 here, and there are no more common factors for the denominator and numerator terms here. 16 5 37 4 7. So just I am multiplying the numerators. So how to multiply these fractions? You know that the product of the numerators by product of the denominator. So 16 into 36 into 4 by 1 into 5 into 7. So by multiplying you will get here in the numerator 2304 by 35. If you divide 2304 by 35, you will get 65 29 by 35. Okay. So next, evaluate. Fourth problem is evaluate. Here, to solve these problems we have to use the BODMAS rule. Okay, because in this problem it has given different operations, additions, multiplications and subtractions are given. Now we have to use the BODMAS rule. Which operation you have to do first? By using that BODMAS rule you have to do this. So now first convert the fractions, if it is given in the form of mixed form, into the improper, then you have to use the BODMAS rule. Okay, now 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 by 3 plus 7 ones are 7 plus 1 8 by 7 into 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. So now observe here, this is addition and this is multiplication. So in the BODMAS rule, which operation comes first? Multiplication. DMAS. First comes division, multiplication and addition. Observe here, I am writing the BODMAS rule. First comes multiplication and then addition and then subtraction. Here there is no bracket of a division and it is not there. So first multiplication and then addition, and if there is any subtraction, next comes. Okay, so first you have to take the multiplication only. So now I am taking only these two terms because multiplication is in between these two terms. Okay, so now 8 by 7 into 7 by 2 I am taking into the bracket. Okay, now you can cancel 7 ones are 7 here, 7 ones are 7 here, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So now multiply the numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. So 4 ones are 4 by 1 ones are 1. So now 4 by 3 plus 4 by 1. 4 ones are 4 by 1 ones are 4 by 3 plus 4 by 1. Now you can take the LCM for this. To add the fractions, you have to take the LCM of the denominator, which is 3 ones are 3 here. So now how many times 3 divides by 3 here? 1 time. 3 ones are 3. So now you have to multiply that 1 with 4, which is 4 ones are 4 plus. So now how many times 3 divides by 1 here? 3 times. 1 3s are 3. So now multiply the 4 by 3. 4 3s are 12. Otherwise you can use the cross multiplication method also directly. Observe here, 4 ones are 4. Here you write 4 plus 4 3s are 12 divided by 3 ones are 3. So this is the cross multiplication method you learnt in the addition of fractions concept. So once you go to that, if you want to clarify that one. Okay, so 4 ones are 4 plus 4 3s are 12 by 3 ones are 3. That also you can use to take the LCM. Okay, next 4 plus 12 is 16 by 3. You cannot divide 16 by 3 directly, so you will get a mixed fraction. So 5 1 by 3 is the simplified form of the given expression. Okay, next, now it is given 5 3 by 8 into 3 2 by 7 minus 3 2 by 3 into 27 by 11. So some mixed fractions are given, so first you have to convert them into improper, which is 8 5s are 40 plus 3, 43 by 8 into next 7 3s are 21 plus 2, 23 by 7 minus next 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11 by 3 into 27 by 11. Okay. Now I am grouping both multiplications here. Okay, because as per the BODMAS rule, first you have to do the multiplications. Okay, I am taking 43 by 8 into 23 by 7 minus 11 by 3 into 27 by 11. So now you can cancel here 11 and 11, 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, and divide the 27 by 3 table here, 3 and 27. So 3 ones are 3 here, 3 nines are 27. Okay, so now you can write it as, you cannot cancel any number in this bracket because there is no common factor for any number here. So just directly you can multiply numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. So now you can write it as 43 into 23 by 8 into 7, 8 into 7 minus, here the remaining numbers are what? 9 by 1. Okay. So by multiplying these two numbers, 989 by 56 minus 9 by 1. Here 9 by 1 is there. Okay, 1 in the 9 by 1, 1 by 1. Now what you have to do here? I am using the cross multiply method here. So cross multiply 989 into 1 minus 9 into 56 by 56 into 1. So instead of taking the LCM, you can use this method also if two fractions are only there. This method is used only for the two fractions. More than two fractions, you have to use the LCM method only. If more than two fractions are there, we have to use the LCM method only. If two fractions only are there, and if there is any plus or minus in between them, instead of taking the LCM, directly you can take the cross multiplication method. So 989 into 1 minus 9 into 56 divided by 56 into 1. So by multiplying and subtraction, you will get 989 minus 504 by 56, you will get 485 by 56. Further, you can simplify to get the mixed fraction also. You can, otherwise you can leave it here also. Okay, next 5 1 by 3 into 2 1 by 4 plus 1 1 by 9 into 3 1 by 2. So take the first you have to convert all the mixed fractions into improper fractions. This 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16 by 3 into 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 by 4 plus 9 1s are 9 plus 1 10 by 9 into 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. So observe here it is multiplication, this is also multiplication. First you have to solve the multiplications here, because according to the board mass rule, first you have to do the multiplication. So keep the brackets for multiplications, and in between brackets, if there is any common factor for any numbers, you can divide. So you can divide 16 and 4 here, because these two are multiples of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Here 3 and 9 you can divide. Crossly also you can divide in the multiplication of fractions. No need of vertically, you can crossly also you can divide, but you should not divide if there is any plus sign in between them. You should not divide if there is any plus sign in between or minus sign in between them. You cannot crossly divide. If there is any plus sign and minus sign, you can divide only vertically. To the numerator and denominator only you can cancel it. Individually you have to cancel if there is any plus sign and minus sign in between them. Okay, if there is multiplication sign only, you can crossly cancellation method you have to use. So 4 1s, 4 4s, 3 1s, 3 3s here. Now here in this bracket, 2 1s, 2 5s, and there are no common factors for 9 and 7. So now we have to multiply the numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. So 4 3s are 12 by 1 1s are 1 here, plus 5 7s are 35 by 9 1s are 9. Now it is the addition of two fractions. Now we can use here the cross multiply method. So cross multiplying this 12 9s, 12 into 9 plus 35 into 1 by 1 into 9. So it's easy for you. If you do the LCM also, you will get the same numbers. If you apply the LCM also, you will get the same numbers. Okay, 12 9s are 108 plus 35 by 1 9s are 9. So 143 by 9. If you divide this, you can get the answer in the form of a mixed fraction. So 143, if you divide by 9, what will you get here? 143 divided by 9, 9 ones are 9 here it is 553, 9 5s are 45, it is 8. Okay, 15, how to take first quotient and remainder by divisor. 15 8 by 9. Like this also you can write the answer. Okay? Otherwise you can leave it. Okay, next 2 1 by 3 into 4 1 by 7 minus 3 1 by 5 into 2 2 by 5. So now first you have to convert them into impropers. 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 by 3 into 7 4 the 28 plus 1 29 by 7 minus 5 these are 15 plus 1 16 by 5 into 5 to the 10 plus 2 12 by 5. So now here also you have to use the BODMAS rule. First you have to perform the multiplication. So now you can cancel here 7 7. There is no common factor for 29 and 3 here. Here also there is no common factor for 16 and 5 and 12 and 5. And one more thing, you should not cancel the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. You should cancel with the denominator with the numerator in the cancellation method. Only you should cancel either the denominator and numerator only. You should not cancel numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Okay, that you have to remember. So now, so multiply this 1 into 29, 29 by 3 ones are 3 here, minus 16 into 12, 192 by 5 5 is 25. Now here, again you have to use the cross multiplication method to subtract this. Otherwise, you can take the LCM. In LCM also, you will get the same answer. Now, 29 into 25, 29 into 25 minus 192 into 3 by 3 into 25. Divide the denominator terms also. Now it is 725 minus 576 by 75, which gives 149 by 75. Now you can leave this here also. Next, find the value of 7 by 5 of 50. Of you will get in the BODMAS rule, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Here of means, of also means into only. You have to replace the word of with the into and you have to multiply. Simply you have to replace the word of and you have to multiply. So that's you have to remember. So 7 by 5 of 50 means 7 by 5 into 50. 7 by 5 into 50. So now you can write it in the form of 7 by 5 into 50 by 1. Now you can crossly divide by with 5 table 5 ones, 5 tens, which gives 7 into 10 by 1 into 1, which gives 70 by 1. If you divide any number by 1, you will get the same number, which is 70. Next again, 3 by 9 of 54. You can write it as 3 by 9 into 54 because of is into. So now you can write it as 54 by 1. Any whole number you can write in the form of a fraction by writing 1 in the denominator. So now you can cancel crossly 9 ones, 9 6 here. So 3 6 are 18 by 1 1 are 1. 18 by 1 is 18 here. Now 8 by 15 of 1500 means 8 by 15 into 1500. So now you can write it as 1500 by 1. You can divide 1500 by 1500 times. So 8 into 100, 800 by 1 into 1 1. 800 by 1 equal to 800. Okay, next 1/5 of a year. For 1 year, you have 365 days. It is given in the form of just as year only given. You can write in the form of numbers as 365. Of means into, so 1/5 of 365 means 1/5 of means into 365 by 1. You can cancel 5 and 365 using the 5 table. So 73 times it divides. So 1 into 73 by 1 into 1, which gives 73 by 1, which is 73 days. So 1/5 of a year means 73 days. Okay, next 3/7 of a week. Week means you know that 7 days. So you can substitute in place of week as 7. So 3/7 of 7 means you can cancel 7 and 7 here. 3 into 1 by 3, which is 3 days. 3/7 of a week means 3 days. Out of 7 days, 3 days. That itself gives the answer. Out of 7 days, 3 days. So that is the answer. The next 7 by 15 of a meter. Meter means you can take it in the form of 100 centimeters as number of into. So 7 by 15 of 100 centimeters. Now I am dividing 115 with the 5 table. So 5 3s are 15 here, 5 20s are 100, 7 into 20 is equal to 140, 7 2s are 14, so 140 by 3 1s are 3. So if you divide, you will get in the decimal form 46.666 centimeters. Okay, next 1/9 of 81 liters. So 1/9 into 81. So now you can divide 81 by 9, 9 9s are 81. So 9 by 1 gives 9 liters. Okay, it's easy. Next 2/5 of 15 kg. So 2 by 5 into 15 it gives 5 3s are 15. So 2 into 3 by 1 into 1. 6 by 1 it gives 6 kgs. So 2/5 of 15 kgs is 6 kgs. Next, find the fraction which when multiplied by 3 by 4 gives 33 by 7. Find the fraction which when multiplied by 3 by 4 gives 33 by 7. Okay, before going to that solving this problem, once you see here, find the number which we multiply by 5 which gives 15, that you can write in the form of like this. So by multiplying which number you will get 15 here. How can you find this? You have to find this by using this method. So you want x here, the number which you have to multiply it by 5 to get the 15 here. So if you want to find out the x value here, you have to divide this 5 by 5. Okay, so you can send this 5 to this side, into 5 if goes to that side it will become as divided by 5. So otherwise you can understand this like this: 5 into x is equal to 15. If you divide both sides by 5, if you divide both sides by 5, you can cancel 5 and 5 here. Here 5 1s 5 3s. So now you will get x is equal to 3. So this is the answer you want. Okay, 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So by multiplying which number by the 5 you will get 15 means by multiplying by 3 to 5 you will get the 15. Like this you can find this same concept you have to use while finding this problem also. What he is asking, by which fraction when multiplied by 3 by 4 it gives 33 by 7 means let the fraction to be multiplied, I am saying it as x here. 3 by 4 by 3 by 4, whatever the fraction I am going to multiply, I am taking it as x. So 3 by 4 into whatever the fraction I want to multiply, I am taking it as x is equal to 33 by 7 I am writing. Okay, this is the expression I have to write first. So now I am taking it as 3 by 4 into x, I am taking it as 3 by 4 into x by 1 is equal to 33 by 7. Now I am multiplying these two fractions. 3 into x, 3x, 4 1s are 4 is equal to 33 by 7. Okay, so now you can solve this equation by cross multiplying method. Here also you can use the cross multiplying method. So if you multiply 3x into 7, it gives 33 into 4. If you cross multiply this, you will get 3x into 7 is equal to 33 into 4. Okay, but you want here 3x only. X value you want actually. That's why I am sending this into 7 to that side. Okay. Otherwise, if you divide both sides by 7 also, you will get like this. Okay, I will show you how to do that. So now I am writing here, it is as 3x. What is this here? 3x into 7 equal to 33 into 4. 3x into 7 is equal to 33 into 4. So now I want x value. Okay, so both sides I am dividing by 7 here. It is easy method for you to understand. So if you divide or multiply on the both sides the equation value will not change. Okay, that's why I am dividing here. 7, here 7. So now what are the remaining terms here? 3x only. Now it is 33 into 4 divided by 7. So now I want only x value. So now to find out the x value, I am dividing both sides by 3 now. I am dividing both sides by 3 now. Now you can write here 3 in the denominator. Okay, now you can cancel here 3 and 3. So remaining term is x here, whatever you want. Now you can cancel here 3 ones, 3 11s. Now there is no common factor for here. 11 4s are 44 by 7. So this is the required fraction to multiply by the given fraction, which is 3 by 4. Okay, you see, observe here, same answer you got here. So 3x is equal to 33 into 4 by 7, which gives x is equal to 33 into 4 by 7 into 3. So divide this 3 table, you will get 44 by 7. So here conclusion, what you are write here, the fraction to be multiplied by 3 by 4 is 44 by 7. So you can check this whether it is correct or not. 3 by 4 into 44 by 7 is our answer or not, check. 3 by 4 into 44 by 7 is 4. How many times it divides? 11 times. So 3 11s are 33 by 7. This is equivalent to the right hand side value. So by multiplying 3 by 4 by 44 by 7, you will get 33 by 7. So this is the answer. So up to here I am concluding this session. In the next class I will explain the remaining problems. Okay, good day all of you.